Welcome back. Valentine's Day is just a few days away, and if you're thinking about what to do with the family, with your sweetie, Avania Gupal is here. She is a baking creative. I mean, you do a lot of stuff. Believe it or not, these are all cupcakes, these flower arrangements that are right here. Looking gorge. Okay, Ava, you did this. You talk about this. You spent a lot of time in France. You grew up there.
Yes,
spent
absolutely.
Yeah, and so you learned baking skills there. Now, you know, we love a little French baking kind of sensation.
Absolutely.
Tell us why this is one of the best things you can do for Valentine's, baking in your memories.
Of course, because we can do this with families, with friends, at home, with only a few ingredients and materials.
Yeah.
And then you just elevate, basically, what you can offer also to your sweetie, like you said, your Valentine or Palentine. And yes, I did grow up in Paris, France.
Yeah.
And my late mother would actually bake these memories with me and my sister growing up all throughout the year. She would also invite our friends to come over and do this together as an activity. And I had these fond memories growing up that I want to share.
Okay, let's do it. Let's start decorating. I mean, because these look like real roses. I almost was like, you know, this is not edible. Okay, so you say this is easy. We've got the cupcakes here. You've got the piping here. How can we make this look like a real rose or some kind of flower?
Absolutely.
Show me.
So let's do the bouquet first, maybe. Just 3 steps.
Okay, 3 steps to the bouquet.
The first step is to grab paper cups.
Okay.
Staple them together, and they become like this.
Oh, that's
like a
doable.
Placeholder. Absolutely. Then you're going to place them, this is the second step, on some tissue paper, and you're going to fold that with some ribbon to make the bouquet that you can see right here. And the last step, the third step, is to take your cupcakes that are pre-made and place them inside.
Okay.
And once you do them all, it becomes a bouquet. So that's just 3 steps to actually build a bouquet.
That's not bad.
Absolutely.
And we can go to your YouTube and get all of the how-tos there. Okay.
Yes,
okay,
I love showing these things.
Okay, so now you're trying to put me to work here. Okay.
Absolutely. Let's grab a piping bag, your frosting of your choice, flavor of your choice, color of your choice, and then your cupcake of your choice as well.
Cupcake.
And then we're going to start by doing a little swirl in the very center.
We're doing a swirl in the center. Okay.
Yes, like this, a little swirl in the middle. Yes, and now that you did the swirl,
my swirl is not looking like your swirl.
It looks perfect.
Okay.
There is, yes, absolutely. You're going to keep going by adding little petals around it.
Okay.
Like this.
Of course.
Slow and steady. There's no rush in doing this.
Okay.
Around it. Try to go horizontal. Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely. This looks great. This is absolutely, you do what you want. It's coming along nicely. Yes, absolutely. And you just keep going.
Yeah.
You just keep going.
You know,
like
people spend so much time and money on figuring out what to do for the holiday. This is a commercial holiday, and everybody, you know, has a thought about it. I love, especially with kids. You have a little one.
Absolutely.
And you can just really get into this with the whole family. You know?
Yes.
I love this whole idea.
Together at home. No need to spend a lot of money to have a celebration and build these memories together.
Okay.
I love what you're doing right now.
All right. And what kind of cupcakes are those in this bouquet that we're going to tear into?
Oh, yes. They're French yogurt chocolate cupcakes. So this is a recipe that I used growing up in France. It's delicious. It's packed with Greek yogurt, sugar.
Okay.
As well
just what we need.
Absolutely.
Look at that.
This is to keep you going. This is gorgeous. I love it.
Thank you for being nice. It's coming on. It's like my flower is on the way out. My petals are on the way out.
Are you having fun? This is the most important part.
Avania Gupal, we can find you on Instagram, on YouTube. You are creative. You do stuff all year long, right? This is not just Valentine's for you.
Absolutely.
This is a lot of fun.
Ideas.
Thank you so very much. We're going to be right back with much more on